I find many of my executives around me think relatively short term. And there are things you can do with a customer pricing wise, market wise, idea wise, that you can keep them there for a long time. What keeps me up at night is when I drive by empty factories, I always think, what didn't they do right? Something didn't happen right. You know, was it sales? Was it marketing? Did they have a bad quality? And I always think about that. That keeps me up at night. And right now, what keeps me up at night is we're on a roll. We're hot. We're doing great.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm thinking out 2 years away now, what other customers should I have in my base? Because the cycle time here is quite long. By the time you get a print, samples, they do their testing, before you get production work, it can easily be 18 to 24 months. So we're loading some in, but I'm not really happy with the amount we're loading in.
Okay.
That's what keeps me up at night, is the futuristic, a little bit further out. Do we have the right equipment? Do we need to expand again? You know, that's the stuff I worry about.